How to close your store in Shopify. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to close your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Keep in mind, we can no longer pause our store on Shopify. We can either close it completely, permanently, or we can create a new one. So make sure that you have made your decision to close your store. After that, you're going to go to the settings of your Shopify. Inside your settings, you're going to navigate to plan. Here, it will show you the plan that you have selected on Shopify. And all you need to do is just click on deactivate plan. Once you click right here, it will close your store permanently and you will no longer be able to get your store back. You will have to create a new one. If you want to transfer your ownership, you can go to user and permissions, and here you can transfer your ownership with this option. So consider this option if you are looking to actually sell your store or anything. Otherwise, you can just go to the plans, deactivate your Shopify plan, and your store will be closed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.